Alright, a very good day everybody. It is Sunday, May 17th, 2026, 1:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And here it is, the new terminus of Fairview-Pointe-Claire. So this is the new Fairview bus terminus. And it's kind of weird to see this. I mean, for those of you like me that are used to the traditional terminus by the mall, just to the east of here, sort of weird to see a new Fairview Terminus here, but there it is. So we're going to start our tour on this side and show you guys what it looks like. So very similar. Let's go check out some of the quays here, or platforms. Very similar to the one at Brossard and Panama. So here's one section of it. I'm not going to go through every bus stop here, but there's quite a few of them. So for example, here's the 2:15 stop. It's really bizarre seeing this. I mean, it's surreal. It's like you're in another universe or something. So for example, here's the 2:15 stop. And over there's a 225, there's a 72. So they're all over the place here. All the routes that were at the old terminus, the original one, which by the way, if you're wondering what's going to happen to it, apparently it's going to be turned into more parking lot for the Fairview shopping center. You know, I said that they should have made it into a green space or something, a little park. So I'm going to do another walkthrough here eventually when, you know, there's buses here and whatnot. This is just an early one because I know some of you out there wanted to see this. So yeah, same type of terminus as Brossard, Panama. We'll go in here and this is a funny glitch here. This is obviously, there's no 439 or 139 here. I think they have the wrong information. Well, obviously it's the wrong information. I think they have to update that source of information probably in the coming days and weeks. Yeah, so there's a washroom here, very similar to Panama. And the color here, same as the REM station, which is over here. REM station's over there. Hey, there's Vince. Vince is here. And here's the entrance to the REM station. And yeah, over here there's some more bus stops. So I guess eventually they're going to have the accurate information here. Yeah, I don't think that's that's correct, eh? The 439. That's funny. And there's more stops over here. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, there you have it, guys. So a little preview here of the new Fairview bus terminus. And I'll put a link to Vincent Emo's channel. I just noticed he was here and said hi to him. So yeah, man. Yeah, it's cool how they designed it. Like there's stops here and stops there. It reminds me of Panama, more or Brossard. So there you have it, guys. All right, thanks for watching.